Hey guys, I'm Ar.
And I'm Ayush.
And we're the Tasty Twins.
So today we are going to be making creme brulee.
Let's get to it.
Alright, we're going to need 2.5 cups of heavy cream, 2/3 cups of granulated sugar, 1 vanilla bean, or that can be replaced with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 4 large egg yolks. Alright, so we're going to add in our cream. So the 2.5 cups of cream. Just add that in. Two and 2.5 cup, there you go, of cream. Okay, perfect. Then we're gonna add in 1/3 cup of sugar. So not the full 2/3, just 1/3. Okay, so we're gonna add in the 1/3 cup of sugar into our heavy cream, and then turn this on to medium heat, and just mix that in. There you go. So we're gonna use a whisk because just make sure that there's no clumps or anything. But you can use a spatula, but yeah, whisk it, we prefer a whisk. Alright, so while our heavy cream and our sugar is heating up, we are going to get our vanilla bean. This is really cool. We never actually used vanilla bean in our baking before, so this is really neat to us. We're just gonna take one out. And then lay it on a plate, just like this. And then we are going to, so we're going to get like a sharper knife and just like cut down the middle of the bean.
In half?
Yeah, so in half, just a little bit. This is really dangerous, so make sure you do it slowly, and you can also get an adult to supervise. Okay, so then you can just open this up a little bit. So the inside, just scrape this out. Smells really good. And remember, you can always use 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract as a replacement if you do not have this, because, well, this is kind of hard to get.
And then we're gonna put that into our mixture here.
All right, so we are going to put in our vanilla bean in. So just the inside, just put that in. And just give a little stir. Make sure everything combines there. And what we're also going to do is we are going to put in the actual pod, which just helps add flavor. But we're going to obviously take that out later. And just mix that in so that everything gets in there. And yeah.
Alright, now we're going to go ahead and preheat our oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, so I have a medium-sized bowl, and I'm going to go ahead and get these eggs, like 4 eggs, and I'm going to put the yolks in here and then the whites in an extra bowl. Alright, so I'm going to add in the rest of the sugar into the eggs that we just added into this bowl, the yolks. And then I'm going to go ahead and give this a nice whisk. Alright, we are going to add in our original mixture into the egg mixture. And we're going to gently mix it. Okay, so before we put this into the ramekins and bake this, you make sure to take out that black vanilla pod, because you don't really want that in your creme brulee. Alright, so we got 6 ramekins. We put it into this baking dish, and now we're going to pour our mixture inside the ramekins. So we'll just pour it in. Probably a little more. Maybe just less than 3/4 the way.
Yeah.
Okay, so the reason why we have this baking tray is because we're gonna fill it with water so that every part of the creme brulee gets cooked. And so yeah, we're gonna fill it with water and then add it into the oven. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Alright, so it came out of the oven. It looks so cool.
When you shake this a little bit, it should be a little bit bouncy a little bit. It should shake a little bit, and that's when you know it's done. So we are going to put this on a wire rack, and yeah. And make sure to keep a towel under your wire rack because well, it came out of water, so.
Alright, so now we're gonna cool this down on the wire rack for about 15 minutes, and then you can go ahead and put it in the fridge for about 2 hours to a day, or you can go ahead and skip this step and put it in the freezer for about an hour or so.
Alright, so we're gonna get 1 tablespoon of sugar, and we are going to just sprinkle it on top of one of these creme brulees, and we wanna make sure that we get it spread out pretty evenly, because then we want a nice thick layer on top. So,
and then we're gonna get this awesome torch. You'll see this in other videos too. So that's insane. And then we're gonna we're gonna put it on the creme brulee, and it's gonna burn the sugar, and it'll be really hard. It's really cool.
Also, we'll link this down below so you can
buy it if you want.
Yeah. It's pretty cheap. So before we start torching, make sure to get an adult to help you with this if you actually have a torch, because it's fire, and fire is very dangerous. Alright, now we're gonna pop this in the refrigerator for 15 minutes.
Hey guys, thanks for watching.
Make sure to like, subscribe, share this video,
And turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of the videos that we post.
and also the torch that we showed you earlier is in the description.
As well as our Instagram and website. And so yeah, we just tried it and it was really good. So yeah, see you in our next video.
Bye.
You can taste the vanilla bean in there. The Tahitian vanilla bean.